Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to add a candle countdown timer in MetaTrader 5 in 2026. So you can track candle timer easily while trading. Make sure you follow the instructions to the end. To add a candle countdown timer in MetaTrader 5, first you must download a candle countdown timer. To download one, simply go to Google and search a free candle timer MT5, in which I saw this link from Forex Factory. It is safe, and now I'll just have to download it. After downloading it, I can just simply extract the zip file. Now after extracting the zip file, I'll go to MetaTrader 5, go to File, and open Data folder. Now I'm going to navigate my way to the candle timer that is supported by MT5. There we go. Now I can just simply, in my navigator slot, I can just simply drag it to whichever graph, hit OK. There we go. In order for this to fully work, you must restart your MetaTrader 5, and that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.